Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. So today we will be sharing with you, I'm excited to share this video with you today. It's something that I have had concern about for a while, and I was visiting with our friends or senior friends and say why not ask her, how would you use castor oil? And I have to think about it because I always say castor oil, as we know, we usually say in Jamaica, but the word is castor, as my husband always remind me. It's castor oil. Yes, how you can use castor oil as a laxative. We always call using this as a washout. And for those of you who remember your childhood days, yeah, so I wanted to know how to use castor oil as a washout or a laxative, how to do a detox with castor oil safely. And so keep watching as we will share with you through Miss Beryl Barnes, who will share with you how to use castor oil as a laxative.
This is castor oil. Oil, not what we have. They boil to rub here, or we take it as a laxative. What is it?
A laxative?
Laxative. When you're taking it then to do washout, you use 1 teaspoon for an adult. 1 teaspoon, or if it's a child, you use half a teaspoon. When taking it now, some people take it natural as it is, some cannot take it. So I take it with a sweet orange. You peel the orange, you cut out the inside, you put a teaspoonful in the orange, and you make one squeeze and you swallow it. Some people cannot take it raw, so I take it with the castor, with the orange. And you always know why you're going to take it. Suppose you're going to take it in the morning. You have to wake up, say, 4 o'clock or 4:30, and you take it. And if you want to take a cup of soup during the day, you can take it. But by 1:30 to 2 o'clock, everything is off.
And for the soup, what would you recommend?
Just a plain soup. Just a cup of plain soup. You don't need no pea soup or so, just plain soup.
Okay, so no starch, no nothing, no. Just plain.
And the oil doesn't have no salt in it.
Okay, so this one is natural.
With salt, and you have to rub your hair with it, so it will cut off your hair. So
with the salt.
Yeah, so this one don't have any salt.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing this. And
welcome.
We learn by word of mouth. Yeah. And these things are passed on to us from generation to generation. And this is what the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Yeah. Thank you so much, Miss Beryl. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.